Did you know that simply looking at photographs of nature can lower your stress levels? A recent study found that viewing images of green landscapes can reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, by up to 20%. This is because our brains are wired to find nature calming, even in picture form. For refugees who often face immense stress, a photographer's project documenting their stories amidst natural backdrops has shown unexpected health benefits. By humanizing their journeys and capturing them in serene settings, these images not only influence humanitarian policies, but also offer a surprising wellness boost. Next time you're stressed, try a nature photo break.